Welcome to Salient Training's Job Aid videos. This segment will cover replacing a network camera in your CompleteView deployment. Whether your old camera is broken or you're simply updating to a newer model with better features, the process to switch them out is very simple, and the video for the new camera will be recorded in the same location as the video for the old camera. So let's get started. To begin, you'll need to configure your new camera and set it up with the proper resolution, frame rate, bit rate, and any other settings that you may need like motion detection or alarms, just like any new camera. When it comes to the network settings, we recommend that you assign your new camera the same IP address that was used by the old camera. But if you prefer, you can assign a new or different IP. When that's complete and you have the camera mounted and positioned, you can change your camera configuration settings in CompleteView. To do this, log into CompleteView as an admin, select the Configure module, and then locate the recording server that has the camera that you're going to replace. In the recording server nav, select the Cameras option from the menu. Locate the old camera in your list, and then you can edit the settings to match your new replacement camera. If you use the same IP for the replacement camera, you won't need to change the device column. But if you used a different IP, then make sure to enter the new IP address correctly. Then, move on to the driver column and select the manufacturer and model of the new camera from the drop-down menus. If the camera is OnVIF Profile S conformant, you can use generic and OnVIF for your drivers. Next, update the username and password if those were changed for the replacement, as well as your compression and frame rate settings. Once everything is complete and set to your new camera's settings, go ahead and save that configuration. Watch for the toast messages to make sure your changes were successfully pushed. Your camera should quickly sync up. And that's all there is to replacing a camera in CompleteView. If you found this video helpful, follow us for more job aid and user training videos. If you have an idea for a future video, let us know by sending an email to training@salientsys.com. Thanks for watching.